On July 2nd, 2025, several significant government actions took place in Ohio. Budget signing and vetoes. Two-year budget. Ohio Governor Mike DeWine signed a two-year, $60 billion operating budget. This budget includes a significant reduction in income tax by flattening it to a single bracket of 2.75% for all applicable taxpayers. Funding for Cleveland Browns Stadium. The budget allocates $600 million from unclaimed funds for a new Cleveland Browns stadium. Line item vetoes. DeWine issued 67 line item vetoes, marking the highest number of vetoes he has ever used. Among the vetoes were items related to property tax relief and restrictions on school district carryovers. Roadway safety investment. $137.5 million investment. Governor DeWine announced strong political enamel, a $33.5 million investment in roadway safety through Ohio's Highway Safety Improvement Program. This funding supports 55 projects across 41 counties, focusing on improving pedestrian safety and reducing roadway departure crashes. 3. Environmental and health policy changes. H2 Ohio funding cuts. The Ohio legislature cut funding for H2 Ohio, a program aimed at reducing toxic algae in Lake Erie, potentially threatening progress in water quality improvement. 4. Clean Air Law repeal. The new budget revoked a 50-year-old clean air law that allowed neighbors of industrial polluters to sue them over harmful emissions. These actions highlight significant policy shifts in Ohio, impacting taxation, infrastructure, environmental protection, and public health.